Start the stream. Welcome.
Get that
All right.
corny shit out.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hear my girlfriend. She's playing Where the Winds Meet in the background. You heard of that game? I don't know. It's a new Chinesium game.
Yeah, I don't hear anything. You're good.
Okay. Wait, this is... No, we don't need that. We need this one. Building an LED binary counter. Okay, this one should be good. This one should be a little bit more intense. Sorry, I just got I was roughhousing with my cat. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, wait, you don't have video. Let me give you video.
I only have the YouTube thing on.
Hang on.
I mean, I don't have to have the both things open.
Well, you don't have to watch YouTube. YouTube's going to be delayed. Let me give you Discord. The Druid Cam.
Oh, right, the hand cam. I need to see you in action over there.
Yeah. Why is it not working? Is it loading?
Well, now it's loading up.
Yeah, but it's like busted. It's not. Wait, is it because...
Well, I can see on the stream itself, I can see your hand cam, right? But when you're trying to turn on your own camera, that shit's not loading up.
Yeah. I think it's because OBS is stealing the output.
Failed to start camera. Let's
Yeah.
try again.
That's because... Huh.
If you want to look up what error 2012 is, then that will give you some kind of...
Oh, I think I got it. And then I get it because you can send the video through. And I can do this with OBS Virtual. And then I can start the virtual camera. Ha ha. Sorry, that was a bad noise. All right, is it flipped? Is it the right direction for you?
I can see your right hand. If it's on
Okay.
the right side, then yes. It's fine.
I don't need it. The little sliver of toe cam. I don't think we need that in the stream. Where am I going here? This way. Perfect. You can see my toes just a little bit. All right. That took a while to set up. For the YouTube stream, it's going to be a little like, oh, what's he fucking doing? All right. Yeah, so I have a rough house with my cat.
Yeah, that's normal.
Did we do that?
No.
Okay.
I think our last thing was making a 3 LED sequence, blinking sequence.
Oh, this is understanding and working with binary numbers, and we just skipped it because we all know binary.
Mm-hmm.
Should we try and do it real quick? I mean, is he gonna do it?
I mean, let's watch a little bit into it. He has
All
a
right.
circuit board on it. Might do it.
I mean, I'm already thinking of how to do it. Is you just do like mod whatever decimal like place it is. Like, you know, for the 0, 1 place, you just mod
Mhm.
1. And if it's what? I guess you can't mod 1, but mod 2, I don't know, for evens and odds, you know? And then if it's like a
Yeah.
0, you on, 1 off kind of shit. Type shit. That's a short.
Good job, man.
Okay, he puts a little gap in there. I don't like that at all. But I think we're gonna take a. Oh shit! All right, hang on. I think I'm gonna try this. I don't think I need his help. I mean, I shouldn't do.
Like, what do you mean by gap? Oh, I can see it.
Well, see how he does the little. Oh, it's blurry. He does this little gap here,
Mm-hmm.
but
I
I
mean,
think
just so you don't have to bend the wires all that much. They're very fragile.
right, right. But they come pretty straight up and down. But I think I'm gonna redo this. He did. I don't know how he's gonna get the resistors in there, but all
He
right.
might go actually, I was about to say he might go between those gaps, but it's not connected to anything.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and fix.
If anything, you should have made a bigger gap.
Is there like a way to make the brightness on this a little better? It's definitely blinding for you, isn't it?
Oh, your thing?
Yeah. I
Eh.
don't know what that does. Go back to
I mean, I'm
normal.
gonna assume you're doing the same thing as he is on the screen, so I'll live.
Okay. 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 A little bit dimmer there. That's a little better. All right. Where's the middle? Nowhere. Fine. All right. Reds. We're looking for reds. Get these all out of here. Why is that one a 3? Why is it 4? Is this a multicolor? I think it's a multicolor.
What do you mean? Hold on.
This LED has
For the LEDs. Oh shit. Okay.
4 prongs. Sorry. I've got a
I
bad
thought you were
hand.
talking about the resistors. Like, no, that's just a different intensity of it.
No. It shouldn't have 4. The resistor should only have 2. 2 ends here.
Depends.
Okay. All right.
I wonder if they can add more control into it. I don't know.
Probably. Did I do? It's long first, right? Yeah, long. Okay, so we're going to do this. I'm going to space them out by 2. Give me some room to put resistors and stuff. Actually, I'm going to put them all the way at the bottom, too. Give me room to do logic at the top. So fiddly, dude. And I got like a bum hand. I'm not really great at fiddly stuff.
Oh no.
Good thing I'm a programmer, dude, and I don't have to deal with this most of the time. Like this part of the job is fun, but these resistors are bidirectional, right? Like the little lines don't mean anything. I think it just like signifies what kind of resistor it is, right? Okay, it's because each one of these needs their own logic, right? So this needs a resistor going into it. And probably like keep that pretty tight. And then this one. Right? Yeah, that's right. And then more. Need 2 more. I'm just trying to build this quickly because I want to go do the software. The software is what I care about. All right. That's in there. Oh, I probably shouldn't short these. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do like some down. Uh-oh. Who did we lose? It's all right. I'm talking to myself. I need this one. Oh, are you back? Working?
I'm back. Okay, cool.
Yeah, yeah, sorry. Did you
No,
disconnect?
it crashed on me.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Oh boy. All right, we'll do that and that. That looks good. Don't want to short those. This is what we got so far. Oh,
Mhm.
and then each one needs a home wire and a connect wire. So each one's got to go to the ground pin. So I guess we'll do green for ground. I think that's standard in house wiring, isn't it? Green
I
seems
believe
long.
so.
Which one of these is short, though? Maybe we don't have to follow the rules. Blue seems short. Which is the shortest? Orange is short. Orange is short. Yeah, that's what we want. We need 4 oranges. God, this mess. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ooh. I guess we'll do green for data because I have green. Oh, okay. So they're all going to share a ground, which I guess we could decide is negative. So each one from here to negative. Oh boy. Right? Yeah. So this one in there to the negative. Oh, geez. Get in the hole. Okay. We're good. We're good. Okay. Got the grounding done. It's looking a little messy, but
A little funky.
a little fun. But I mean, it's clean looking. It's just not like easy to understand. All right, and then we need greens going to data. So we're gonna do what he did. It is interesting on the board. It does say, I guess some of them have PWM on them, which I guess you could use for, like, I don't know, a fan or something. And then I don't know what this is. TX and RX, 0 and 1. They must be something special. Is that all the way in? Okay. It is interesting that like he gave us homework and then he's just going to do it in the next lesson. You know, interesting choice, but whatever. Okay, first one goes in right there. Second one. Why are some of the greens different lengths? Oh, because they're like slightly different green.
They're a different variety of green.
Oh, that's so stupid. What? Is this the same? Are these the same? No, they're different. They are a different variety of green. What the heck? Whatever. It doesn't matter. They're long enough. Okay, and then this one goes in right here. Oh boy. Okay. And this one? Nope. This one? Okay. This is very set it and forget it. Okay.
Dude, I'm baking some zucchini bread right now because I'm gonna be going to a potluck later. But holy shit, my house smells nice.
Nice or like zucchini bread?
Zucchini bread, which is nice.
Oh, okay. I think it's my girlfriend that's always talking about zucchini bread too. I've never had zucchini bread. I'm not very interested in it. I'm not like, oh, I gotta try, I gotta have it.
It tastes like a dessert. When I first got introduced to it as a kid, I was like, "Fuck, it's vegetables."
All right,
But
so
no.
this is finished product. And now we do some software development. Do we do it? Is it new sketch? I can't remember. Yeah.
That doesn't seem familiar.
No, it is. I think we're good. I think we're good. Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. Wait.
Is it a new project? I'm not looking at the screen right now, but
Yeah, we're doing lesson 5. Yeah, because like what's in here? Yeah, just the one file. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna do lesson 5. Yeah, okay. All right, let's see if I remember any stuff. Let's set some macros. For define. I don't remember how to code in C anymore.
oh yeah, were you able to talk with the others back then about what language or program we're supposed to be using? Because it wasn't Arduino not supposed to be the one we're working on.
No, it's C. It's gonna be C. It's just Arduino's not gonna be like our end thing here.
Yeah.
Why is define not working? Pin. Oh yeah. Pin. Wait. So what is it? It's 1s, 2s, 4s, and 8s. Right place? Isn't that how that works? 8's place. I don't know. LED underscore 8. And then that's gonna be 2. 4, 2, 1. And then that's 3. I have the wrong keyboard on. There you go. I couldn't find my actual full keyboard, so I'm using my gaming keyboard. 4, 3, 5. Okay. And then this one's just going to be our loop for interpret number. Interpret. Come up with a better whatever. And it takes int I. Nope. N. And this just goes if n mod eight wait, how do you do this again? So wait, we want to check if it needs to utilize an 8's place.
You have different number. 2, 3. We need to check if what?
We're trying to make the binary encoder. I'm just thinking about the math in my head. Because you want to get rid of the highest number possible first. So if it's divisible by 8, I guess you just do, yeah, if n divided by 8 is greater than 0. You would do turning that pin on, right? So digital write, right? LED underscore 8 high. Right? Because you do that, and then can you in place edit n? I think you can. So n equals n mod 8, right? Because whatever the remainder is what we care about. And then if n divided by 4 is greater than 0, it should just truncate because it's integer division, so it should just be, yeah, I think I've got it. I think that'll work. If it doesn't, it doesn't, and we'll figure that out.
Congratulations, dude. You did it.
I think so. And then I guess if at the end here, we just want to check if n is equal to 1. If n equal 1, and then we'll digitally write the ones place high, and that's it. Because it should be past a copy of n, so it shouldn't matter, blah, blah, blah. This one, we want to write the 4's place, and we want to return mod 4. This one divided by 2, and it's the 2's place, and we want to mod by 2. Okay, that's a number. I think we want to do, yeah, let's do a clear. Void, clear. Whoa. Two. I like that. No, 4. 2, and then the ones, please. I think setup, I only have to do, oh, I have to do the pin mode. Okay. Pin mode. So we do 2, 1. Laziness, cut and paste. And then it's 3, 4. What am I doing? No. LED underscore 8. That's what we want. Right? Yeah. Made macros, might as well use them. 4. Are you getting what I'm doing? Or are you just drifting off?
Watching.
All right, all right. Do I have to import random? Can I use a random?
I would think you have to import.
I mean, yeah, but like, how do I get, what's the library for random numbers? Library for random number in C. I don't remember. srand. It's in standard library. Don't mind if I do, Gemini.
Because we did use random before, in I think one of the previous videos.
Oh, they're doing it with time. They're seeding it with time. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, that's good. That's a good call. Good call. Seed with time. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take that. Put that in setup.
God, I love the zoom in feature they finally decided to put in fucking PC.
What? What do you mean? Oh, like you can zoom in on your
Able to
PC?
zoom in. Yeah, before you're able only to do that on mobile, but now you're able to do it on your fucking phone too. I mean, PC.
What is this? Why are they doing this? Because rand is a number between 0 and 1, right? And then you... Is it?
By default, I think it is technically by 0 to their max number, an integer. There,
Okay.
you're able to set range.
I could go crutch the fucking... I can go check the man page. Let me in. Are the school servers down?
I have no
Oh,
idea. I think
no, we're good.
didn't they say okay? Yeah, I thought they were gonna do some cleaning over the break, but it shouldn't take that long.
That's not that right. That's not right. Man. 2 rand. What? Oh, it's... What? Where is it? Where's the random number? Is it this one? This is not... That's not rand. This is like... This is bash. 3 rand. Haha. Has zero. Oh, rand max. What's rand max?
Max number, probably.
What is rand max? Oh, it's just a fucking... Okay, it's just max. Okay. So they're doing a mod. Why are they doing range min plus max? Min? Ugh, I've turned my brain off for winter break. I'm not doing math right now. I mean, I could figure that out, but that's good enough. I don't need that. I just need it to be between 0 and something. 0 is fine. So get rid of lesson 4. I don't need that anymore. So in our loop, we're going to make a random number. Int random num equal rand mod. What's the largest number you can make with a 4-bit number?
A 4-digit number.
Largest number with 4 bits. It should be that, right? Blah 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 blah. 15. I should have done that. I should have absolutely done that. Sometimes you're lazy. You just Google stuff just to be like sanity check. You never do 2 plus 2 in your calculator?
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Should I do mod 15 or should I do mod 16?
For what?
It should be 16, right? So this is going to be a random number, but I want to get a number in a range of 0 to 15. So let's say I get 15 and I mod 15. It's going to give me 0.
Then I would.
Oh, so it's 16. It's 16. It's 16 because I want to be able to represent 16.
So if you mod by 16, it will loop back to 0.
It'll loop back to 0, but I want to be able to represent 15. Sorry. So yeah, it's mod 16. Okay. And then interpret num random num. And then what is it? Sleep? Was it just wait? I don't remember what it is. File, open. What was it? Delay. 20. Oh, it's in milliseconds. All right, let's do 1,000. Nope. Let's do 5,000. Give us 5 seconds to check it. And then also, can I do printf? Yeah. %d. Nope. %D. Nope. Wait, what's the number? Is it D? No, D is no, digit. Yeah, okay. %D random num. You can easily convert, right? Because I want to have like the conversion. Convert into binary. See. Should just be able to do this. You can convert into binary bitwise all about using. No, I just want to do it nicely. I don't want to actually do the math. I just want it to be. And so now, like, wow, that is excessive. All right, I'm not figuring the logic. I know how to do it. I don't need to do it. It's not critical. Okay, so this should, in theory, and then we'll do a clear. Actually, do the clear first, just in case. I hate this. All right. Semicolon. Upload. Done uploading. I guess printf wouldn't work because it's not running here. I was hoping it would be.
I mean, you'd still have a terminal open if you needed to print out like each stepping block so you know if something breaks, so print it out.
Yeah. Oh, did I not connect ground? Oh, I didn't connect ground. All right, last one, we'll do a blue wire. Connected to ground. Oh. I don't know what numbers it's doing, but it appears to be doing numbers.
You should probably have it printed out into the terminal to see what numbers it's choosing.
But you can't because this is running the code, not my computer.
Hmm.
So there's no actual thing to print. This looks pretty right though, you know? I mean,
I
just
want to see
guessing.
if the last pin will light up at all.
You know what? We before I do random numbers, I can check this by manually putting a number in. So let's do nothing in the loop.
Oh, there you go. The last one did light up. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I mean that's 16 or 15 allegedly.
Mm-hmm.
But instead of doing this random number first, I'm just gonna get rid of the printf because that's doing nothing. I didn't consider that. We'll run a man test. Manual test. We'll do this. Because if this just runs in setup, we don't need any of this. Cut and comment this out for now. 1. I should do all the delay logic in here, actually. I mean, not really, but. Yeah, it's easier. Clear. Delay. 5,000 for now. Ooh. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I did it. 7, 8. I need my full keyboard. That's terrible. 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15. This actually should be 0. Okay, that's our manual test right there. Upload it. All right, so first should be 0. Then we should have 1, so that should light up. It's working. Then we should have 2 in 5 seconds. Oh, we do, and then we should have both these light up. Oh my god. First try. Yep. It's doing it. I mean, there's no protection for like if I were to give it 16, it would be, I guess it would just round off the number. And then this one should light up.
Though, if it's 16, if you have the mod, right? So it should fall back into 0.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which would then should technically not light up.
Well,
anyway.
the division would break it. This little, oh no, because it's mod. Yeah, I have it to work. Yeah. It would do something.
So in theory, if you did test a 16, I would think it would leave everything blank.
It wouldn't overflow. It would just do. I mean, I can verify. I can do it quick. Like if like, I can do this. If n greater than 0, or what, greater than 15? Return. There.
I would say if n is, well, because hold on, you have n be randomly generated, and you have n mod by 16, right? So if you can let the function pass through, but before, actually no, you.
Well, I do, but you want to write your functions safely. Like I want this to be like, coding practices or whatever. Not that I would know. You want this to be hard. Like you want, if you write a function, you want it to be like self-contained. You don't want it to be able to spit out unknown.
Well, yeah, I was about to say, like, instead of figuring out earlier on if it's going to be above 15, I was about to say if after the modulus 16, if it's becomes 0, then you can round it up or tell it to do something else. But you already have 2 math operations combined into one line, so it won't work then.
Can you throw a return in this? Will that like stop the execution? Like shut down the program? Let's do this real quick. Let's do 1 second each number and send it. So it should be 16 seconds. Dude, I could have just done a for loop. I did all that cut and pasting. I'm so stupid. Like, I guess I get the testing itch. I'm like, just test it. Just do something. And I write something really dumb. Did it return? I didn't see it. Did it do it? If I do a clear here, well, I guess it would leave it on. Yeah, because it wouldn't do the loop. Or maybe it goes on a loop and I have to return out of this. Yeah, because it would do the loop after the setup. So don't return from that, because that's just automatic. But return from the loop. Counting.
Test 16.
There it is. I mean, I guess it's done because it returned here. That should be it. Okay. I have to, because that's very upsetting that I did that. Actually, I forgot what a for loop was. Int I equals 0. I less than 16. I plus. Interpret num I. There we go. Right? Is it interpret num? Yeah. Wow, look at how much easier that was. I have to cut and paste 16. Oh. What? Did I spell it wrong? Interpret. Yep. Interpret. Yep. There we go. So I guess I don't need any of that. Don't need that either. I don't need that. We did it. We did a binary counter.
Wow.
We beat him. Let's see how this idiot does it.
16 is supposed to leave everything lit up.
What?
So 16, if it's like above 15, right? Because that's your range. It's supposed to leave it lit up.
Well,
for 0.
No, I can do this. I can do a last minute clear. So I can do this. Clear. Let me show the stream. Actually, I have it enhanced for the stream. Here. Get it nice and
Well, I'm watching, yeah. It has it all lit up right now.
yeah. Well, you know, for everyone else, not just you. You know, my viewers, dude. My viewers.
If I can see it, they can see it.
Now they can really see it though. Yep, there you go. Counted to 16. Magic. Dude, I don't even think we didn't do anything else. I think we beat it. We beat Arduino. That was it.
Wow. I think we're ready to make a parking break. That's you.
Oh my god, the stream, I haven't had browser. Whoops.
I want to make sure that you understand.
Well, in the beginning of the stream, browser, you couldn't hear what he was saying. So now you can. Whoops.
Okay, so let's take a look at what I did here. I put all of those LED pins into the same row. Why did I do that? Because the rows are not connected. So none of these LEDs are connected to each other, but I put them in the same row so that they would be neat. And so here we have the long leg, and then I skipped a column, and then the short leg, and then the long leg, skip a column, the short leg, long leg, skip a column, short leg, long leg, skip a column, short leg. Now, why did I do it this way? So they're all lined up nice and neat, and they're not like all over the place. And also the reason that I didn't start here on this kind of top row here is I want to leave a place for the wires to come in, because I'm going to need to connect, right? I'm going to need to connect those pins to the LED. So what I am going to do is I think I'm actually, to be better consistent with this circuit, I see that you can put it in either order. Okay, you can put it in either order. You can put the diode first or the resistor first, but since I have the resistor first, I think that I am going to do it that way. So I didn't really leave room for my resistors.
Let's skip ahead.
I'm going to move these things down.
Because we
column.
Oh wait, how did he do that?
Third resistor.
Oh, he did it that way.
Pin 5.
He went down. That's smart. He utilized the other bus or bar or whatever you want to call it.
Mm-hmm.
So it wasn't this clusterfuck that I did. You know?
Well, I think he technically did mention it also, and I forgot which video, but he showed us a diagram of which section is supposed to use.
Yeah. Did he?
Yeah.
Like
He
what we're supposed to use, or just like how it's laid out?
How it's laid out, right? But he had like a whole diagram in the very early set of videos of how each section is supposed to be used.
Yeah.
5.
Well, these resistors are not connected to the
5 goes into the same column as that fourth resistor. Okay, what I really hope is
Okay, so he did, yeah. I mean, at least mine's condensed. You know, it's really tight. But
hope that this made sense as I was doing this. First thing I want to do is I'm coding.
Where's the code?
To name our pins, okay. How many pins are we using? 4. What 4?
I don't like that he doesn't use macros for this. He just like hard codes it.
Pins do we need in the void cell?
Don't like it.
We need 4 pin modes. Okay, so I go pin.
He could be right though. I don't know.
And
I
then
don't know what I'm supposed to use a macro, honestly.
pin
Until this
2.
time.
You see, I'm using the variable. I'm not using the number. Good practice. I keep pin 2, and what is it? It's an output. Boom. Pin mode. What is it? Pin 3. What is it? Output. Pin mode. Pin 4. What is it? Output. And then pin mode, and then pin 5 is an output.
I forgot, but didn't you have to mention where the pins are located too?
What do you mean?
Like in the board itself.
No.
I don't remember if that was important or not. Like,
I
I
don't-
know you can connect wires to pin slots like 4 or 5, whatever the fuck. But then on the circuit board, and we have to keep track of where they're at exactly too.
Yeah, so that's
Or
what
was
he's
that-
doing now. So you see how he's saying like pin 1, 2, 3? That's because
Oh yeah, those are for the wires there. Yeah.
but yeah, that's where I put the wires in and they're labeled. So you have to
Mhm.
let them the code know where you're doing it.
I'm talking about where like the LEDs are at. Didn't we have to keep track of where they are too, or is that?
I mean, just through our logic of where we put the wires, but no, the board doesn't need to know where the LEDs are. The board just says send signal high or send signal low. That's all it does. It doesn't really know what's at the end of
we
the
had to keep
circuit.
track of that shit too somewhere. I don't remember.
I mean, in our code, yeah, but not on the board. The board doesn't really need to know.
Yeah.
I know, but the board does.
And then that. Okay, now my void setup is done. So what is the void loop going to do? In the void loop, I'm going to want to create these configurations in these LEDs and then step through these different numbers. So it starts at 0, 1.
Wait a minute. Oh my God, how could I be so stupid? We can just do this. We can loop through the numbers infinitely. Not just once, but infinitely. Silly me. Oh. Don't even need that clear there. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. You win some, you lose some. I mean, it's fun to
Thankfully,
like,
code right. So
I mean, yeah, it's working. Like my function is good. That's pretty great. I want it faster. Let's do 250. Quarter of a second. I forgot how fun this is. This is fun. I wish I was smarter, you know? All right.
1, 2, 3, on up to 15, and then repeats. But the first thing I want to do is just make sure all of my LEDs are working. And so how can I do that? Well, I can do and I'm in the void loop, digital write, and then what pin? Pin 2. And then what do I want to do? I want to make it high.
No way.
And with a semicolon. So I'm making this one high. I'm turning that one on. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them all on. And so at this point, it's easier for me to copy and paste this command, Control-C to copy, Enter, Control-V. And now instead of pin 2, I do
No
pin
way.
3.
He can't possibly be doing it this way.
Control-V.
He can't.
Instead of pin 2.
He's going to manually do
4,
each number.
and then Control-V.
No.
Pin 5. Okay, what's that going to do? That should turn all the LEDs on. And what am I doing that? Just what if I hooked
remember,
the
he's
wire up
supposed to
wrong?
be teaching
Or what
beginners.
if I have a bad LED? Or what if something doesn't have a good connection? If I can turn all the LEDs on, at least I know that my circuit is right. And then any other problems that might come up, I'm going to know are due to a coding error. Okay, so let's go ahead and download this and see what happens.
Oh, he's just doing testing.
Green bar. All right, waiting for it to download. And boom! What happened down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, all LEDs came on. And so that means the circuit is working right. Now all
Is he sitting in a Herman Miller Aeron?
code.
He is.
So one of the things
Blood's
is
rocking a
I have
$1,500 chair.
high. I have already put in this last one here, which is 15, right? On is 15. Can you see that okay?
I mean, it could be something else, but
zoom in a
I'm seeing very little. But I know an Aeron, dude. I know an Aeron when I see it.
I think maybe that's pretty good. Since I have that window a little smaller, I need to make sure that you guys can see it. Okay, so I've got that. That's 15. That's the last.
All right, let's skip.
We'll put 750 milliseconds. All right.
He's doing it
Boom.
manually.
Now what do we need? Low, low, high, low.
Okay, well,
Wait time. We got to use good coding, so I'm going to copy that.
we got to use good coding after we manually wrote fucking 16 numbers.
Use wait time as a variable, what do I have to do? I've got to declare it. So int, and then wait time, put a space, int, wait time, and then that's going to equal to I'm going to put it at 1000. Don't forget your semicolon. I'm going to come down here, and then in each one of these places I need to put wait time instead of 750. You see, I was telling you in that last lesson how important this was, and then at the moment of truth, I got lazy. I got sloppy. I taught you poorly, but at least we're going to fix it, even though it's going to take a second. Because once we do this, we can tweak the time to make it easier for us to kind of try to count here. Hopefully this is going all right. Okay, guys, this has been a little bit of a long video.
Not for us.
Long row, second to the bottom, and by connecting the ground to that, it's doing exactly what this row. Like you'd say, I am going to give you an assignment.
All right, what is it?
And what I want you to do is I want you to add another LED so that you have 5 LEDs. You'll need another resistor. You'll need another pin. And then instead of counting from 0 to 15, you will be able to count from 0 to 31 with that.
All right, we can do
Gotcha.
that. We can do that in literally seconds because we didn't write code like a monkey. That's easy. We just add another line. So we go to, so what is it? 16 times 2 is 32. So we don't want to go over 31 because we're representing numbers up to 31.
We're kind of up to 31, yes.
Yep. And then
you have to limit it to
n
32.
divided by 8 times 2 is 16. Right? Yep. Is greater than 0. Do the stuff. And it's going to be 16. And then this is going to be 16. And then we're going to make pin 2 16. 16. We're going to make this one 8. We're going to make this one 4. We're going to make this one 2. And then pin 6 is going to be 1. And then all we do is we get another green wire out. Another green, green wire. A resistor. Oh shit. Oh shit, I dropped it again. Oh god. Hang on, let me enhance. This homework would take so long if you did the code the way he did it. Like, because you would have, it's double the work. It's just cut and pasting. Not that I didn't cut and paste a shit ton earlier, but you know. Where did I put the LEDs? The red. Come on. Stop it. Turn off. Okay, so 2 away. This chaos that I've made. Okay. And then what was that? Stop. Someone DM me? Who's DM me? Oh,
No, but I can hear it.
Oh, you can hear it? Hey, you're fine.
Mhm.
Who cares?
All the Discord pings. I keep looking up to see if I got pinged or something.
I know. I'm sorry. Stop notifying me. Is there a way to silence Discord notifications for like temporarily? I've never
Do
like.
not disturb.
Oh, that's what you do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. It feels like. All right, I would throw it for an hour. It feels like I'm too cool for, I don't like do not disturb. Okay. That's good. This blue one, I'm going to throw this down here. Okay. Next. Green. Where am I throwing the greens? Right here? Green is input. Yes, green is in. And then orange. No way I'm out of oranges. All right, we'll do a gray because it looks short. We do an orange from there. Not an orange, but you know what I mean. Up there. And then we ground it. And then all we have to do on the code is send this up to 32. Send it over. Oh, did I fry an LED? What happened there? What happened there?
Did you put a resistor in that one?
Yeah. Is it shorted? Did I break it? What happened?
It shouldn't.
It looks pretty pathetic right now. I must have shorted it. I must have screwed something up. Oh, I know why. I didn't initialize correctly. Pin mode LED underscore 16. It's not initialized.
It's like so far your circuitry seems completely fine. Nothing should have happened to it.
I know, right? Here we go. There it is. That's the money shot. Okay, it's wrong. Hang on a second. Eight, 4, 2, 1. Okay. Why is this wrong? See how this one's never going off? Why is it not going off? Oh, because the clear function. Oh my gosh. Okay. Officially completed the homework assignment. What is that? Oh, we've done it. Dude, we're so good at this. It's so basic, but it feels, every time, even if you're doing something real like a baby could do it, it's still satisfying when you do it.
Because you did it.
Because I did it. You did it. You helped. You were here.
I was just here.
Emotional support.
I was the witness.
The witness. Yeah, you witnessed it. Do it live. And I only used Gemini once. I had all that in my noggin. And I didn't
even talked to AI once.
And even when I talked to AI, I didn't even use anything it gave me. All right. Well, I guess that's a good stopping point. Honestly, that was not a hard assignment, but it was a little longer. I might do another one tomorrow, or Monday. When's New Year's?
New Year's, let me quickly check.
All right, 31 days in December, so New Year's is on Thursday.
Wednesday.
Well, Wednesday, yeah. New Year's Eve is Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, I'll do one more before New Year's, and then after New Year's, I'll do a couple more. I have to move out all my stuff out of my old place still. I do some
Okay.
finishing touches. But that's till the 7th. But then we don't go back to classes until the 12th. So I got time. I got to register for one more class.
If there's space.
It's just my like gen ed thing. So
Is it your UCore kind of thing?
yeah. So
Ah,
there'll be space in
I
one
mean,
of
sometimes
those.
run out.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll be fine. Whatever.
Even like, I think UCore, it won't delay you. You just have to take multiple of them.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Stop the stream.